Welcome back to Chef Mario's kitchen. Today we're gonna prepare a dish famous everywhere in the world. We call it in Italy bollo con limone or bollo alla mignaia. But everywhere in the world they call it chicken Francese. And what we gotta do now, we gotta grab a couple eggs and break it down. We gotta put some sea salt. We gotta put some cheese. We gotta put some basil. And we gotta put some black pepper. And we gotta mix together. I wanted the chicken get the flavor of everything we put over here. Now, when the eggs mix it good, we grab the chicken, we put it in the flour, and we just put it in the eggs. It's a chicken breast, white meat, nicely sliced thinner, and it be very, very delicious. As always, we have to knock it. The Italian, they eat everything. But when you get the chicken, they love to slice the chicken very thin. And this is what I did. Okay, now the chicken is ready to go in the fryer. We gotta saute it, and after that we gotta make the sauce for the Francese, and we gotta see together the Francese dish made from Chef Mario's kitchen. Now we grab one fry pan, no stick. Got some extra virgin olive oil. Gotta put it in the pan. Gotta put the heat on. Okay. Now we gotta wait a minute. The oil have to be very, very, very hot before we saute the chicken in. Chicken is the most famous dishes in the world. People love chicken. They eat fried chicken, they eat gratinated chicken, they eat chicken with chicken. They just love chicken. Whole chicken, Cora chicken, chicken breast, chicken legs, chicken wings. Thousands of kind of names for chicken. But tonight, we gotta make one specific dish, famous all over the world. Chicken Francese sauce. We gotta make the Francese sauce after we fry the chicken. We saute the chicken. And you gotta see, it's very simple, very easy, but not everybody know how to do it. Tonight you will learn and make Francese chicken at home from Chef Mario's kitchen. Now the oil is very hot and we will start to fry, saute the chicken. Okay? We don't want the oil temperature go down too much, and we just fry the first couple pieces, and after that we make the second two pieces because we don't want the oil temperature go very low. We want to keep it higher, because when the oil is very hot, we can't get the color we need it. We need the golden color. Golden is the best color can be. And we will have this color. Et voila. You see the color of the chicken? This is what we need to see. Beautiful. Very easy. But if you keep put the flavor, we put it in the eggs, the grated cheese, the salt, the pepper, the fresh parsley. You will see the food taste delicious. We wait another 1 minute and the chicken is ready. You see? This is the look you want to have. Let me get this from the other side one more time. I need to have the color. Okay. Now the first two pieces is ready. And now we'll get the second two pieces in. Okay. And this is the second two piece. Now what we gotta do, after we finish with the sauteed chicken, we gotta drop the oil, put some butter with some white wine and some stock, and give it some lemon juice, and we make the Francese sauce. Then we put the chicken back in the saute pan with the sauce and make everything amalgam together. Et voila. We look always for the golden color. Kitchen is fun. If you love to be with other people, if you love to have people over, if you gotta make it with anger, your food never gotta be good. You gotta make love with the food, because it's your spirit coming on the food. It's how you feeling. It's coming on the food. More love you put in the food, more your food is delicious. Now, the chicken is done. We get very bit from the oil. Then we get the butter. We get the white wine. We got the lemon juice. And we got some stock. We give it some salt. We give it some parsley. And some crushed pepper. Then when the sauce is not working, we put the chicken back in. And we just keep it working together for a couple minutes. Keep the chicken suck the flavor of the sauce. It's always unbelievable. Like I told you, I love cooking. The chicken looks like ready. We just grab the dish. Just grab the chicken. Et voila! And this is your dinner tonight. Chicken Francese. Arrivederci.